The one-word version on how to make 2020 the year you buy your first home. First, the word is 600. 600 is the credit score range you will need to buy a home. The reason we're saying 600 is because a score in the mid-500s can be doable with some compensating factors, like a large down payment or a reasonable letter of explanation as to why the score may be lower. And also it starts the conversation with us as mortgage professionals to help you start the process to qualify. Second, the word is verifiable. Verifiable is what the income needs to be. The income type can be flexible. We do need supporting documentation. So by check stubs, W-2s, tax returns, award letters for pensions, bank statements can replace your tax returns, so it needs to be verifiable by documentation. Third, the word is $1,000 or 3%. The amount you will have to put down to purchase your home. For VA and USDA, both can be zero to put down. Down payment assistance programs can be $1,000. If you don't qualify for any of the above, then 3% of the purchase price is the minimum amount needed. Any of those down payment sources can be gifted. And fourth, the word is now, the time you should be calling to discuss a plan to buy your first home. Look, the process to buying a home is something which can take time to get ready to do. So the more preparation time you can get, the better the execution. So to summarize, 600 is your score, verifiable is the income type, and you can put down either $1,000 or 3%. So then, now is the time you should be calling.